Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, February 23rd, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. We're getting ready for a blizzard up here in Maine today. Supposedly the snow's going to start anytime. We're supposed to get 7 to 11 inches and then some heavy winds and things like that. So it's normal for this time of year up here. But, you know, I wanted to get a video out before the possibility of losing electricity because, you know, the winds up here are just crazy sometimes. But anyway, I hope you're all doing well. I know I haven't done a video in a few days, but I've been working on a project non-related to my internet marketing stuff, another business project. And so that's been taking my time, like a lot of my time. And I've been trying to show up on Facebook and YouTube with posts and simple reels and things like that. But I wanted to just jump on here, do a quick video and talk to you about how 24 referrals can replace a full-time income. Okay, so I've been part of this company for a little while now, and they've just released a turnkey system that anybody can use. All right, it's particularly great for people who are just starting out in the make money from home niche or the work from home niche, because there's no techie stuff. All right, it's a complete done for you turnkey system where all you have to do is send traffic over to your link. All right, it takes less than 5 minutes to set up and you're good to go. You just drive traffic, all right? And we'll show you how to drive traffic. And this converts at around 5%. So every 100 people that you send over to this link, if you're sending good traffic, you should expect to get, you know, around 5% of the people to sign up, about 5 signups. All right, now the cool thing about this is that it only takes 24 referrals to supplement or replace most full-time incomes, which is really, really great. All right, I mean, 24 referrals, if you follow what they teach you, is not that many, okay? Now, I'm not guaranteeing you're gonna make any money because it's totally dependent on your work ethic. But I can tell you that 24 referrals is not that many, okay? We show you how to get the traffic. And when you join me, you're gonna get my resource page. It has over 80 different places to share your link online. You'll get my letter template if you wanna do direct mail like I do. And you'll get my contact information so you can reach out to me anytime you need assistance or have any questions. I'll be there to help you out, okay? You just have to show up every day and put in the work, which is what most people fail to do. But 24, I mean, this is it's not a lot, okay? I brought in 143 referrals into my business opportunities last year. And this year's been a lot slower starting out, which it usually is in January and February and up until tax season, when people start getting their income tax back. It's a little bit slower. So I think so far I've only referred 8 to 10 people into my business opportunities. But I mean, you only need 24 in this business to supplement or replace most full-time incomes. All right? I mean, that's pretty cool. And everything is done for you other than driving traffic over to your system, which we show you how to do. And you can do free traffic or paid traffic. You know, I do free traffic because I don't mind showing, you know, putting in the work. I use Facebook and YouTube and direct mail. And I just drive people over to this new system all day long. And like I said, it's converting around 5%, which is awesome. I mean, it's great. The owners are super transparent. In fact, out of 20 years that I've been doing this, these owners are the most transparent. They totally care about all of us who are part of this opportunity. Okay? I mean, we have a really nice community here. All right, they've been in business for 10 years, so it's not some fly-by-night outfit. They're not going anywhere. And they're continuously making improvements and adding things to make everything better for all of us who are a part of this. Okay? I mean, it's really, really, really amazing. And another cool thing is that you can do this. This can be a complete business in a box by itself, or you can use it like I do to build my other opportunities. All right. So if you're looking for just a regular, awesome place to come and plant your feet and grow a business, you can do that with this opportunity, with this turnkey system. Or if you're building other opportunities, you can come and use this turnkey system to help build these other opportunities. All right. So it's just a very, very well put together, well thought out turnkey system. Like I said, all you have to do is share your link, which we show you how to do. You can do free ways like I do, or you can do paid traffic if you want quicker results. But the system does everything for you. It does all the selling, telling, everything. Follow-up emails, you name it. It does it, okay? So I have proof on my Facebook and my YouTube community, if you go and look, that I'm making money with this right now. All right, I just signed up somebody the other day, another person, and people are just joining this. All right, it's that good. It's that good. So if you want more information, I'll leave the link down below. You can go to workwithruss.com. Okay, workwithruss.com. Go and check out how the system works. If it's not for you, just unsubscribe. You'll never hear from us again, okay? So that's it for this video. I got a few things I got to do here at the soap shop before I go back home and before the snow starts falling here. So I hope everyone has a great day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Excuse me. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.